Good Sunday morning. This is the weather outlook for the week. Start off really chilly. I mean, this morning it was very cold. Lows were in the lower 20s. That will repeat itself tonight, but it won't be as windy. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see even some upper teens in the area. What you see today are these tightly packed isobars. We're in the blue. We're definitely cold as a low pressure trough went off the East Coast and really brought down a cold high pressure system here into the east part of the United States, and we saw that get ushered in by winds as we went through today. So this is the European model. We'll just kind of progress through the week here so you can see what's going on, and this is today. So we're staying chilly. We're still in these blue. The northerly winds are in front of it, so we're going to stay chilly today and even into tomorrow, although this time of year, as we start to get a little bit more of the sunshine, we still will warm up tomorrow. Today only highs around 40 to 42, 43 degrees. Tomorrow we're going to warm up into the low 50s. So that just shows you how well you can rebound. Still will be cold at night, into the 20s even tomorrow night, and that will happen on Tuesday as well. Eventually this high pressure system, which you see getting over top of us on Tuesday, is going to move east. And when that happens, you get the clockwise winds around the high pressure system here. So we're going to see southerly winds kicked in, and it's going to really warm up. We get the combination of both this high moving off the East Coast and a low pressure system that's going to form over here just east of the Rocky Mountains. And oops, I accelerated things quite dramatically there. So as we move forward, as I said, we're going to be warming up. You can see we're now out to Wednesday. Should be a beautiful day on Wednesday. Get a little bit warmer up in the 50s to around 60, into the 60s, and maybe even 70s as we get into Thursday. Now, a warm front's going to come through, and that's going to definitely bring our temperatures up into the 60s, maybe even around 70 by Thursday, Friday timeframe. Friday, especially, we could have some showers as we go throughout the day. This is Thursday, and we see a front that's kind of trying to approach, and a better forming storm system. So this is into Friday. Now, this storm is going to come through here. Looks like it doesn't have a lot of moisture, but we'll definitely have some showers around both Friday into Saturday, and then a more prominent area of rain coming through here on Saturday into Saturday night, and then it's going to move through Sunday. And here we go again. We get the low pressure system off the East Coast, strong winds on the backside, and yep, we're going to cool down. So although we're going to warm up later this week, 60s and even 70, I can see for sure, this cold front that does come through is going to change temperatures around again. So we'll go from the 70 degree mark probably on Friday, 60s maybe on Saturday, but temperatures will be falling and we'll be back down and chilly by the following week. Now we're out 7 days from now, so once we get that far into the future, we start to get to an area where we're not sure exactly what weather is going to go on. But this does look like a repeating pattern. In this case, there's some cold air around, so some of the mountains get a little bit of snow and things like that, but look at this colder air. As a matter of fact, as we go into the week after this one, it looks like it's going to be a much cooler week as we get stuck in the more northerly winds, and colder air will stick around. So yes, we'll warm up in this week, and we'll see some showers. Doesn't look like a major rain system that's going in for Friday, Saturday, but definitely some rain around, and then we'll cool off on Sunday with some winds again, just like we had this week, warming up and then cooling down during the weekend. That's it for the weather outlook for the week. Expect things to stay cold today and tomorrow, but we start to get milder in general starting tomorrow, and then we'll just see it step up in temperatures throughout the week, and even heading towards 70 or so by Friday, and maybe even in the 60s on Saturday. If we get more sunshine, we'll definitely be warmer, but we'll see. I don't think that's going to be the case. This being your weather outlook for March 19th, first day of spring will be tomorrow as the equinox hits. So it'll be this week here. Have a good one.